Hi guys, how you doing? So, welcome to week 5. Wow, already. Let's take a look at week 4. What do we do? Okay, here we are, week 4. Let's jump over here. And I'm really interested in the discussion. I thought the discussion was really good this week. So that was good stuff, really good stuff. I have not graded 4.2 and yet, but the peer support activity was very good. Now I jumped in there, and those of you who saw grading for week 3, I did something a little bit different. I tried to gear this thing so that you guys had the benefit of me looking at um, 4.1 and looking at that critique to see your progress, so I could kind of apply that towards 3.2, if that makes any sense. It was to help you guys anyway, and it did. I think it did. I think everyone did really well. I think everyone's doing really well. I got a lot of emails this week about the videos and how much they're helping, and that's I don't mind doing it, guys. I mean, I'm going the extra mile to get you guys what you need. So, but I definitely appreciate the comments. So keep them coming. I'm just kidding. Seriously, I really appreciate that, and so awesome. Glad you appreciate it. Let's jump over to week 5. Week 5 is pretty interesting. You got some good stuff here in week 5. Let's take a look. Right now, we're going to make this transition from our regular Photoshop, what we're probably really much more used to, our regular digital imaging, our regular adjustment in Photoshop, and we're going to try to take that, switch gears a little bit, take that finished piece and prepare it for a presentation on the web. So we need to optimize our images, and you'll be learning how to do that this week through the required reading from your text as well as from the course materials. So take a look at the module overview, and wow, that's big. And you can see here, right here, this is where we're going in week 5. Is you really got to get to know these file formats, how they work, and when you need to use them, optimization and resolution for web. So take a look at that, and then I want to show you guys something, okay? In your readings and resources, this atomic video, you guys are just, this is so good that this is available to SNHU students. It's just wonderful. Let me show you what I'm talking about for those of you who haven't jumped in here yet. This is the Creative Cloud for the web, and this is just a great course within a course. Look, getting started. I just want you guys to notice preparing your images for the web, a closer look at image optimization for the web, styling techniques, and really just, and the nice thing is they're all titled too, so you can go, if you go through the series and you forgot one thing, all you got to do is go back and say, what was I doing? I can't remember how to do a GIF. So you jump back in there and you find it, and you watch it again, and bam, it's locked in. Atomic videos rule, guys. Rule. So use it. Okay. And then these guys right here, simple animation in Photoshop. You got captions right there. This is kind of dry, but it's good, really good instructions. She's just kind of a little bit dry, but that's an excellent video. Help create frame animations. Does this all sound familiar? Creating an animated GIF in Illustrator and Photoshop. How to make an animated banner. How interesting. Sounds like these are exactly what we're looking for in, yes, you got it, our optimization for both print and web use, as well as the final project part 1 milestone 2. Boy, I wish this was named differently. 5.2 final project part 1 milestone 2. Web banner rough. Okay, so I want to look at that. Let's look at that right now. I want to show you what you're going to be doing, and the instructions here are really done well, and I think we're all used to just really going over these and a couple of times, just make sure everything makes sense, and the submission requirements make sense, etc. And the submission requirements jive or kind of add up with the submission requirements in the rubric. And in this case, they do. I checked for you, so we're good. So you have this right here. Check that out. It's really good, a really good little synopsis of what you need to do. Likewise, but let's jump over here because I have the rubric open, and this is one thing that's included in the rubric that's not in that part of the class, and that's this right here, guidelines for submission. Or is it there? I don't think it is in there. Well, if it is, here it is again, guidelines for submission. Where did that go? Oh, here it is. Your final submission should be a zipped file containing your web banner ad rough submitted as a layered Photoshop file, your web banner ad rough submitted as an animated GIF, a flattened PDF of the magazine that your banner was adapted from. That's your ad. Okay, that's so I can look at your ad, your magazine ad, and your banner to check them side by side to see how they work together. Okay, and then a PDF of the screenshots taken during the design process to show the tools used both in Photoshop and Illustrator to create the final banner ad and design ad. I will say probably of everything that's going to be really super easy to forget for this assignment, this is going to be the easiest right here, this PDF of the screenshot. So don't forget that, please, all right, because that's fair game, right? Okay, that I think is all I have. It is. Yeah, so we don't have, oh, wow, we don't have a discussion board this week, guys, so yay. Can concentrate on our work. That's awesome. I'm excited. But okay, so that's cool. Everyone's doing really, really well. I think the thing that we really need to start doing is taking a look at each other's videos. They're there, the assets there, you might as well use it, right? Really take a look at those videos, consider the comments, compare the comments, look at the comments while you have the rubric open so you can see exactly the objectivity and grading and where the comments and where the suggestions for improvement are generated from. Okay, make sense? I hope so. If not, give me a holler and I'll explain it further. But if you have any questions moving into this week or anything at all, you know I'm right here. So I'm here every day. So get with me. Okay, thanks, guys.